Welcome to my Italian table at the Mudec restaurant in Milano. Today I will prepare a very original and popular recipe from my tradition. The recipe is chicken fried with the sweet and sour tomato sauce. Well, before to go in the kitchen and prepare the recipe, let me show you the ingredients. We start from here. Fresh onions from Nocerino, DOP, means protect origin, pear and green apple, cherry tomatoes from Sicily, fresh thyme, sugar, salt, mustard for the sauce. And then we have chicken breast, organic breast, and the three different kind of flour. The first one is simple organic flour, the second corn flour, and then next with semolina flour. Please remember that you have to choose the best ingredients for have a great successful. And don't forget to send me pic and movie about your recipes, because the winner will visit us for a beautiful dinner at the Mudec restaurant in Milan. Here we are in my kitchen, ready for prepare our recipe. We start cutting our cherry tomatoes. The cherry tomatoes in the pan, cut in the middle. Remember to choose the best tomatoes you have on the market. Then fresh thyme, season it with sugar, salt, fresh mustard. Then very important, for have a great flavor, to add the fresh onions, now for our recipe we need a sweet touch and a little bit of acidity. We cut in slice the green apple, for this quantity we need half pear, last ingredients, white vinegar. "40 minutes on the fire." The second part of our recipe need to prepare the pastella or tempura. We start the corn flour, 1 spoon. We add semolina, and then strong flour. This blend permits to us to have a great result between the fragrance, the textures, and the crispness. We blend the different flours, and then we add the iced water. If you love the crispness, you need to add a lot of water, because the tempura will be very thin. When you will obtain a texture liquid and fluid, you will keep in the fridge. I suggest you to remove the skin of the breast for this preparation, but someone prefer to keep. In this case, we will remove. We open the breast, cutting the fillet. Depend to the size, you can cut in the middle. At this point, salt on the chicken. You wait a few seconds. When the liquid will arrive outside from the chicken, we will pass to the next operation. Preparing flour on top, very light, only for permit to tempura to stick to the chicken. We are now ready for fry. First of all, I check the temperature of the seed oil for fry the chicken. We need around 175, 180 degrees. We are now ready for fried chicken. It's really important, fry the 3-4 pieces for each time and check that the tempura maintain the color. If we have some impurity, we need to remove from the oil. And if you have to prepare many portions, you will fry it in 2 times. The first one, you will arrive at this point, very clear, and you move from the oil, and then you will repeat the operation for fry a lot of chicken together. If you will be precise and careful to have the right temperature and size of chicken, and also the blend of tempura, the color will maintain clear and the crispness will be perfect. When you move from the oil, you have to do this. Remove the oil from the chicken. When you will have not any drops of oil, you can put on the paper. And we continue to fry. After 40 minutes on the fire, we are ready for use the blender, obtaining a fluid sweet and sour sauce of tomatoes seasoned with apple, pear, thyme, vinegar. The last touch for our sweet and sour cherry tomato sauce will to pass from the strain for remove the skin and the seeds of the sauce. Our cherry tomatoes sweet and sour sauce is ready. With a spoon, we can serve in a small dish who will accompany our chicken fry. We are now ready for plating our Italian chicken fried, loved from also my kids. Remember we chose the great ingredients: organic chicken, organic cherry tomatoes. This recipe is very simple. The important is the result will be very crispy and very good.